Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today also we are got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get sign up right there in your Akinator app in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, make sure you have downloaded and installed the app on your mobile phone. Then you will go ahead, tap on that app and open it up, and now tap on this profile icon on top right corner. Now tap on this option called sign up below the sign in. Now enter your name, enter your email address, and now go ahead enter a password for yourself, and now go ahead tap on the sign up option. Enter the appropriate password, then you will tap on the sign up option and you will be able to get signed in right there in your app over here. So tap on this OK and tap on this. Here you can see you are signed in with your account. So yes guys, this is how you can go ahead and sign up. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.